From this video you will learn how to cook choice chocolate pecan pralines. 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of sugar cooked to caramel, 2 squares of chocolate, 3 cups of pecan nut meats. Stir the sugar and cream over the fire until the sugar is melted, then let boil to the soft ball degree, or to 236. Add the chocolate, melted or shaved fine, and beat it in. Then pour the mixture onto the cup of sugar cooked to caramel. Let the mixture boil up once, then remove from the fire. Add the nut meats and beat until the mass begins to thicken. When cold enough to hold its shape, drop onto an oilcloth or marble, a teaspoonful in a place, and at once set a half nut meat on each. 2 persons are needed to make these pralines, one to drop the mixture, the other to decorate with the halves of the nuts. The mixture becomes smooth and firm almost instantly. Maple or brown sugar may be used in place of all or a part of the quantity of granulated sugar designated. Happy cooking and bon appétit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.